Today we'll be showing you how to install the pergola on the Solara shed. I've already installed the hook bolts into the trim up top. We've got the pergola centered on the bar top, and each hooks are lined up with each other so that way we can put these cables on. Now I'm going to add some tension to the turnbuckles so that way it's not loose. The next step is making sure it's centered and level on the bar opening. So to get it a little more level, you can adjust with the turnbuckles until it's to the desired level. So once it's leveled and centered, the next would be to pre-drill and install the screws. That's how you install the pergola with one person for the Yardline Solara.